Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to make text boxes the same size in Word. Let's get started. Firstly we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the insert menu and click text box option. Then insert a text box on this document. Then again go to the insert menu and click text box, then draw a text box. Now we select the multiple text box, press shift on your keyboard. Now we can see we select multiple text box, then we change the height and width or make this text box same, increase the height or width. I hope you understand this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.